That, oh my god, mine is red light too. Look at it. Do you see that? That is
We're
like...
both the same.
Dude, they're both coat. Mine's better.
I got mine for Christmas.
So did I.
This
I
year?
actually got mine for my birthday.
I got mine for Christmas.
Yours is 35. Mine's 32. Is yours on?
I
I
haven't turned.
don't see the red light. Is it on?
Nah.
Oh my god. Red light. It's a light.
Oh, he's gonna do it.
Yes. I don't want to.
Dude, we should like put these over and be like, ha ha. I don't know.
Why would we do that? I don't want to.
Because we're awkward like that.
There's a hair on this. It's tiny.
It's on me now.
Like a pubic hair.
My daddy does weird things in his car. It's in my purse.
Please stand by.
There's something crawling on my leg! It's crawling on my leg! Oh my god! Are you okay? Get in the foaming car! The foaming car?
Okay, we're back. Okay. There was something crawling on my, I don't know what is that? What is this?
That's Goofy.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I wonder if this paperclip can be a penguin.
Oh, we can make a heart. I made a triangle.
It's a penguin. I dropped it.
I can see you dropped it.
Ow!
Dude! Why do we have two waters? What the fuck?
Guess what?
Where's yours?
Guess what?
Sausages.
Sausages! Why did I put them in here? I don't. Why?
You said you're gonna hide them.
Can I lick them?
Those are your father's. What smells like that really bad cologne? Like, see what your dad.
Sorry. Listen to the sweet sound of cutting grass weeds. Okay,
Cutting grass beans?
Vienna sausage. Ew!
Wow.
Made with chicken, beef, and pork. In chicken broth, it's a sausage!
I don't what piano.
Ew, I like. Oh, that's probably it. There's a bird.
Stop licking.
Well, the sound is gone! Praise Jesus has risen. Okay, so. That wasn't meant to happen.
I still have two waters.
Guess what? I don't know what that does. Oh, what's this do?
Open the back of the car. Wait, no.
Open the back. There's two back things. Oh, that's the back window. Let's crank up some too. Oh, he does the keys. That rotten son of a.
Flash.
That rotten son of a.
Why is it flashing?
You talked whenever I beeped. I wanted to make it sound like I swore.
Say it again.
Okay, you rotten son of a. Why did it? Oh, because it flashed. Because it's security, and we're in here. What's this do? What the?
What is that?
Really no, but it sounds so cool. You just got really loud. Why did it do that? Please do stop. Okay, so let's talk about cup holders. Why aren't we talking about cup holders? Because I can hear you drinking. It's like. Okay.
It's like opening a present on Christmas morning.
That's what I want to do.
Open a crescent.
No, guess what I want to do?
You want to open a crescent roll?
No, yeah. No, guess what I'm going to do?
What? What the? Oh my god! That was awkward.
What was? I didn't see anything. How well that go? Is it going well? Is it going well for you? Is
No,
it?
where's your iPhone go?
I don't know. I think it ate. Oh my god, it ate it! Oh, it's eating my hand.
Just push it up on the seat.
What's furry? Oh, a penny.
Oh, a Fenny furry.
Penny furry. It's like Katy Perry, but uglier.
Dude, she was on the top. You know that maximum Hot 100 people?
Adam was on that.
She was one.
Adam was on a guy's one in OK. Okay.
In the OK.
Hey. Whoa!
Oh my god, there's juicy fruit.
Ooh, a lighter.
Oh, I saw the juicy fruit, but okay. Dude, this is what we gotta feed you. If you kill us, I swear. Oh, punch you in the face. What's that, my brothers? I'm not gonna wait.
Yes, it did. You liar. Oh, juicy fruit.
Did you not hear me?
QTQ. Hey, they're two different letters. Now we went through that.
No more one. Why are the penny and all that?
We need like serious dance my shizzle. Okay,
Dance my shizzle.
you need to dance to my shizzle. You need to don't touch my nizzle.
The hizzle. Gizzle, I don't know.
Oh, shizzle. Dude.
Dude.
Like sweet song, we could be like. That's not it. Okay.
Oh, it's burning.
That's not it.
Feel it, it's hot.
It's in the sun, goofing block.
Feel yours.
I don't want to feel it. I don't feel different things. I only feel things if they're furry or.
Oh my god. Ready, set. I want to hold him and have his babies.
I'm gonna cut that out, okay? Are you?
It's still going on.
You need to like.
Let's turn this on. No.
You and I are undeniable, but I'm not unreliable. Giving all I got to make you stay, or am I just a roadblock in your way?
I didn't do it again.
Again with the screaming.
Okay, we're taking a field trip. Ow! It's really hot. Okay, we're taking a field trip. Let's go.
Can I just leave my crap in here?
I don't know. Should you?
Should you?
Oh my god! We're videotaping a videotaping video of taping of a videotaping. What? Ow! My shirt won't stay down. Okay. We're taking a field trip, but I need a helmet for it. Okay, hat switch time. Wardrobe change.
Did you say Ovaltine?
I didn't.
Ovaltine is good though.
Say cheese. That wasn't a picture. Okay, are you following me? Does it look like I'm following you? I don't know, does it look like I'm following you? Dude, I can do it. Mitchell Davis did. I can be like, whee! Ow, 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 ow. I'm gonna jump off this thing.
Oh my god, it's a birdhouse. Can you guys jump off the birdhouse?
There's a dragonfly. This is our field trip. We've been recording for 9.5 minutes.
Oh my god. You jumped off of it.
Not really. Okay, what is this? Is that an egg?